How to use ChatGPT and Midjourney AI to make passive income. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great helpful video, and in this video we're going to be discussing on how you can make yourself some good passive income using two of the best AI softwares out there nowadays. Yes, we're talking about ChatGPT and Midjourney. So, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video, okay? Now, basically, what we're going to do with both these softwares are, we're going to use ChatGPT to basically, let's say, a story or a write down or a handle like that. And then we're going to use Midjourney to make us a good book cover out of it. And then finally, we're going to use Canva to combine both of them and make a good storybook out of it. So, we're going to be doing all of it, so please do make sure to watch this till the end and listen to all the instructions I have to provide you. So, first of all, what you're going to do is make sure to check out Amazon KDB before starting this, okay? You're probably wondering what Amazon KDB is. Amazon KDB is basically, a shop, an Amazon shop where you're going to see, self-published storybooks from maybe other people, stuff like that. So, you can come here, and here we are. So this is KDB Amazon. They're going to tell you all the different types of books you can publish. You can also go ahead and see the different books that are published on Amazon to see what kind of stuff actually sells. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's go ahead and create ourselves a storybook for children. Okay, so you can write, can you write me a storybook for children? Okay, you could like tell the age limit or something like that, but I'm just gonna write this. Okay, and as you can see, look at that, it starts writing a storybook for children, as you can see, as per follows, and it looks pretty good, looks pretty great. So now obviously we have like created ourselves a title, and here, as you can see, is our whole story. So as this loads up, you're gonna see that it's a pretty like not too long, it's a good children's story. So now, while this keeps on going, what I'm going to do now is you're going to go to your Midjourney. So here you are. This is your Discord, your Midjourney. And here, obviously, you're going to go into a newbie room. Now, once you're here, what you're going to do is we're obviously going to add the prompt. There we go. And now what you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to copy the title of the story, okay? Now, obviously, this does all that I'm doing doesn't make sense, but please do keep on watching. It's going to make a lot of sense in a few minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy the title that ChatGPT gave you, and you're going to paste it here in the Midjourney prompt. Now, once you obviously do that, we're just going to wait for it to, create you a good thumbnail. But when it does, what we're going to do then is we're going to come up here, okay? And we're going to write canva.com. Now, obviously, we have to wait for our picture to load up as well. So we're going to wait for that too. And while that is loading up, come to Canva. And once you're here in Canva, what you're going to do over here is obviously you're going to go and search for book templates. And once you obviously go search for book templates over there, you're going to start adding all the details that we gathered off. So please do keep watching. So once you're here and you've created a proper book template for yourself, make sure to, duplicate a few pages because we have a multi-page book, obviously. So now what you're going to do is remember the photo that we used Midjourney to create. You're obviously going to download it. And once you download it, you're going to obviously bring here and you're going to paste it into your Canva. So as you can see, this is what was created using my Canva, and it looks pretty nice. I like what it has done. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go in text and obviously choose a good font and add the title, and look at that. That looks pretty nice and pretty decent. And then from there on out, again, now what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to start copying every single paragraph one by one, okay? They're probably wondering what that's going to do. Obviously, with every paragraph, there's a different story, and with every paragraph, there's a different page. So this is the first page, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So every page will have a different photo for itself, obviously. So to get that photo, what you're going to do is you're going to copy this and you're going to paste it into the Midjourney prompt. And once you paste it in the Midjourney prompt, according to what the text says, it's going to show you a photo. So obviously in this paragraph, as you can see, once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who loved to explore. One day she decided to go on an adventure in the forest near her house. She packed a picnic lunch, put on her hiking boots, and set out on her journey. So here is the photo I downloaded from that. And as you can see, look at that. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty cool. So what you're going to do is then you're just going to, add it slowly. And once it is added, make sure the dimensions are correct. So there we go. Now what you're going to do, now what you're going to do is, again, go on text. And once you're in text, go on, any decent font. And then just paste this paragraph. Choose a font that obviously, a person can see from this. So there we go. There, I chose a font, bring it in the center. You can give it a background if you want to. You can go in effects, give it a decent background if you want to. Give it an outline so it just looks better. Give the outline a little thickness. Give the outline a good dark color. And once you've done that, obviously accordingly create more pages, put in more prompts, and then put in all these paragraphs accordingly. And then once you've done that, go on share, go on download, go from PNG to PDF print or PDF standard, and then just download it. So if I were to show you again, download PDF standard, and then once you have done that, you're going to let it process. Okay, it's going to take a few seconds, and once it's done, you're going to click on download. And once you click on download, then you're just going to wait it out. You're just going to wait for it to download. It's just going to take a few seconds, okay? Once it's downloaded, as you can see, it's going to send it up there. And once we open it, look at that. That is how it's going to look. And from there on out, you're just going to go ahead and upload it into your Amazon KDB or wherever you want to publish it. But yeah, that is mainly how you're going to basically use ChatGPT and Midjourney AI to make passive income. So again, if you were to go through the steps, go to ChatGPT, ask it to write you a story. Once you've asked it to write you a story, from there on out, copy the title, go to Midjourney, paste it in the prompt. It's going to give you a title page, and then you're going to, do as I've done over here using Canva. And then you're just going to do rest of the steps accordingly. Copy every paragraph, paste it into the prompt, take out the photo, and then just paste the paragraph into the photo. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to make money by selling storybooks using ChatGPT Midjourney. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful to you, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.